Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. So what's this 2-minute art hack all about this week? Well, it's about sketching every day. And yes, I know you don't have the time because that means having to find your paints and your pencils and somewhere to sit down to sketch and set up a thing. No. This is an art hack. This is about making things easy. And how do you do that? You become a sketchbook tart. You have a sketchbook with you at your desk where you do your art. You have a sketchbook with you in the lounge when you're sat watching TV. You have a sketchbook with you in the kitchen. You have a sketchbook with you in your dog walking bag. Everywhere you go, have a sketchbook and a pen. If you've got these two things, you can sketch wherever you are when you have 2 minutes, and that is all it takes. 2 to 5 minutes every day and will make a massive difference to your art. Simply sketching your tea. Simply sketching a tree. Anything that you can see. It really doesn't matter what it is. It can be your cup of tea. Anything. It's fine because the act of observing, sketching, it's going to chill you out. It's going to calm you down and it's going to improve your art. So everywhere you go, have a sketchbook there. Sketchbook and a pen. You don't need anything else. See you next week. Bye.